Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Turbo Apps channel. Today, we'll explore a powerful feature, approval forms. We'll show you how to streamline your notification process by adding an approval step, ensuring only authorized personnel can create specific notifications. Let's jump in. Prerequisites. Before we begin, ensure you have a pre-existing Create Notification form assignment. This tutorial will build upon that. If you don't have a Create Notification form, we'll quickly walk you through creating one. Create Notification Form. You can choose a simple vertical or more detailed column layout for your form. Here's what you need to include for a column layout. From Layout, drag and drop a column. From Basic, drag and drop a select field for notification types with API property name as Notif type and check the required field in validation. From Basic, drag and drop a text field for Equipment ID with API property name as Equipment ID and check the required field in validation. From Layout, drag and drop another column. Add another text field for Functional Location with API name as FuncLocaED and check the required field in validation. Add a text area for the notification short text with the API name as Short Text and check the required field in validation. Once you're done, save the form with the title, notification, and a suitable description. Publish it by adding a comment. Creating an approval form. Now, let's build the approval form. Navigate to the Forms section. Click the More button in the Create Notification row and select the copy option from the drop-down. Set the title to Create Notification Approval and the description to Create a notification on SAP after approval. Click the Create Copy button to create a duplicate form. Remember to click on the assignment icon and assign the form to a team that has at least 2 users including you so the approval can be tested. Now, click on the copied form to open the Form Designer. Drag and drop the Smart Nested Form element from Turbo Premium to the top of the form, ensuring it occupies the full width. Rename the label to Approval Form and update its API property to Approval Form. Click on Form and click on the Form drop-down. A list of approval form templates in the system is shown. Select the default Approve, Reject, Return Approval template. Click Save to confirm the properties and close the tab. Save the entire form using the top Save icon. When you preview the form, the Create Notification will be the same since the template is displayed dynamically in the Turbo Forms app. We've successfully designed the approval form. We'll build the approval flow in the upcoming video to automate the notification creation process. Thanks for watching.